everyone, welcome back to channel. This video is all about experiencing the elegance of transparent pantyhose in stunning 4K transparent detail. From the very first glance, you'll notice the smooth, silky texture that creates a polished, refined finish across the legs. The pair featured here is designed with a comfortable waistband that stays in place, a reinforced toe seam for added durability, and a light stretch that adapts perfectly to natural movement. In this try-on haul, transparent, you'll see every angle, walking, seated, and close-up views, so the fabric's subtle sheen and structure are clear. Sheer stockings are known for giving a lightweight, natural look, while lace stockings add sophistication with intricate patterns. For a more striking effect, glossy tights create a high shine appearance that's perfect for evening wear. And of course, nylon pantyhose remain a timeless choice for everyday elegance. The beauty of transparent pantyhose is their versatility. They can be styled with dresses, skirts, or even layered under casual outfits to add depth and smoothness. The transparency allows your natural shape to show through while enhancing it with a subtle glow. I'll also compare how these pantyhose look alongside other hosiery styles, including fishnet stockings, white stockings, and stockings in motion that bring a more dramatic effect. Each option offers a different finish, giving you a wide range of ways to style your wardrobe. This hosiery try-on video is designed to highlight the details that matter: the fit, the fabric, and the way each style transforms an outfit. If you enjoy pantyhose, try-ons, stockings hauls, and legwear fashion reviews, make sure to check the pinned comment for more.